Ete Poo. Peace and blessings to all from Divine Peace Meditation and Yoga. This is Mama Imani on the front stoop, checking out the weather. According to weather.com and my local channel 13 weather, it's supposed to be lightly raining right now. I look out the window, I don't even see puddles. When I came out at 6 o'clock to make sure that I put the recycling to the curb, there was evidence that it had already rained. I could have went walking today. That's all right. Rain still dripping off the porch roof. And I'm sure that it's going to kick up again throughout the day. I'm just going to admire the little bit of growth in each one of my containers and plot on the weeds growing inside this and under this bush. Don't have my lopers yet, but I got my grandma's butcher knife. We're not gonna let these weeds get this tall, as tall as the window like last time. We're gonna chop them out. Hoping that your thought-provoking Thursday is safe, is healthy. Make it content. Do something nice. Be a good neighbor. Humidity coming back in. Stay hydrated. Stay cool. Blessed be.